Okay, for you guys out there that are experiencing a issue with your clothes washer, that it will agitate but it won't spin and or fill up with water, something to check is that little hose right there goes to the water level switch. As you can see, that one's discolored and it was clogged up. It was holding back air pressure, making the timer believe that it was still full of water. So you just replace the hose and that would probably take care of the problem. In this case, I just cleaned it out for temporary reasons just to get me through the day, and I will be replacing that very soon. Hope that helps.